Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram has added one new feature to their Instagram story section, that is Shoutout feature. So in this video I will show you how to use this feature in your Instagram account. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram account. This is my Instagram page. If you like, you can follow me over there. So you need to go to Instagram story section here, and you need to go to option create. So once we will go to create section, you need to click on this heart icon you can see here, and here you will find a 4 template. First one is birthday, thanks, anniversary, and the last one is plain. So you can go with any one, and you can also change the color from here by clicking on this one. So for now I will go with a first option, that is happy birthday. So if you will tag your friend here, like I will tag my alternate account here. So once we will tag this account, so it will be loaded in this way, and you can post this in your Instagram story, and you can wish your friend or someone happy birthday. So in same way you can take any 4 templates from there. So if you have ever tagged your friend in Instagram post, then what you can do, like for example, I will tag my another account here. Here you can see. So it will take few seconds to load. So this all are a post that I have tagged to my that account. So if you have tagged your friend to any post, those posts will be displayed below, and you can tag them and you can post it. So this was a small new update from Instagram. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.